Divining pendulums are often misunderstood. They aren't magic, but rather tools that help us tap into our subconscious wisdom. Today we'll explore the different types of pendulums and their unique applications. Pendulums respond to the neuromuscular movement, guided by your subconscious mind, helping you get answers to simple yes, no questions. Category 1. Basic pendulums. The most common type of pendulum is any weight suspended on a string, whether made of crystal, wood, or metal. It's a simple tool to obtain yes-no answers or even indicate directions. Category 2. Witness pendulums. Witness pendulums, like the Mermet, let you place an object inside to strengthen your connection and focus your intent. Category 3. Frequency pendulums. Certain pendulums can generate specific frequencies used in advanced practices like energy clearing or healing, requiring careful handling due to their powerful effects. Radiesthesia.online offers pendulums for all levels, from beginners to advanced users. Find your perfect match and master divining by enrolling in our certified courses.